Hi, my name is Greg and I am in Mesa, Arizona. It's well over 100 today in May 29th, and I'm out here with my flock. I've got 10 birds, most of them Americanas. I got a barred rock and a leghorn and a few other birds, but they all seem to enjoy my rat-proof bird feeder. They've learned to use it, and the only thing I've had to do is, since I've got it out here, my birds free range, is I just put a piece of plywood over the top of it. I'll show you how that is. And it works well just to keep the water out. Sorry, Tinkerbell. That's Tinkerbell. I interrupted her feeding. She's going to go back to get some more here. But my birds enjoy this feeder. Keeps all of the pigeons, and we get a lot of dove around here, so they would just go through feed like nothing crazy if I left it out in the open. So this really is the only solution for me. Otherwise it would, because I am in a cage-free open range type environment, I have to have something that keeps the other birds out. The only modifications again are the top, and then I also put an extra slat on the bar, so that the birds, when they were younger, could learn it. I could take that off now. They're all big enough to use it without, but I haven't done that. And I generally don't put the spring on either, because the spring made it harder for the smaller birds to open the door. Most of these birds are about 5 months old, just starting to lay. You saw those eggs, they're small but cute. There's my watering mechanisms. I use a drip feed water the birds seem to like. Oh, my other one's dry. I need to fix that. And